So we are expecting at least 3 feet of snow. So this is what our sidewalks and our floors look like now. This is probably an hour, 2 hours before the storm starts. Today is Friday. It's about 12:30 noon. Storm is supposed to start from 1 and then it's gonna start snowing until Sunday. So this is what the sidewalks look now. They look clean, and I mean, we have a bit of snow from Wednesday, and we still have we still have that thin layer left because it's been cold, so it hasn't melted fully yet. So there comes my coworker. I said it. Hopefully, if I remember, that's our truck there. It's ready with ice melt, shovels. We have a new brush machine that we're gonna try out. That's my BMW right there. It looks like a Toyota Corolla, but it's a BMW. Anyways, so let's continue. So before the storm, hopefully, again, this is Acere, my coworker.
You want chicharration?
Yeah, chicharration. Anyway, so hopefully I remember to record right after the storm and see what we deal with. All right, see you later.